pink, I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple.
Hi guys, it's Sugar here again with a pretty face as always. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, before I start this video, I would like to beg you guys to pardon me. I have been wanting to edit this video and upload it, but because of one thing or the other, I couldn't. This is an old video. I did this vlog during my birthday period, which is April. So today was April 13. I came to Spa Kalon, Independence Layout, Enugu State, to do my facials. My friend Naza directed me here, and she's here also. So she's a skincare therapist. So I decided to come and patronize them. So guys, if you look at my face is all, I slimmed down. I wasn't having it at all. I'm still recovering. But it will be for another video. I will just do a separate vlog for what I have been through so far, what was going on with my life. So guys, I'm sitting at the reception waiting for my turn for them to come so that I will enter inside the room that I'm going to receive my facial treatment. So guys, I decided to pamper myself, to thank God for life, for delivering me from the shackles of darkness, for making me to be alive in the land of living, for bringing my health back. Because guys, I don't want to open my mouth. I'll just leave it for another easy separate video because I will say a lot of things. So guys, do not mind the voiceover. It's because of claim the music they put in the background of this video. I don't need any copyright claim. You know, YouTube, one of their rules is copyright claim. Any video that has copyright claim will be banned, will be blocked. So I want to escape from copyright claim. So this is their room. I have entered inside their room. I'm just giving you guys a quick tour of how the place looks like. I've removed my clothes. I have tied my wrapper, waiting for them to set up the things that they are going to use on my face. So guys, just look at my body. I was like a stick here. I slimmed very down, guys. It's not easy. Still waiting for them. Guys, just look at me. Look at my neck, bone everywhere. Oh my God. Just waiting for them to, yeah, I've laid down on the bed. The whole process is about starting. I've laid down on the bed. See, making my video, feeling happy. Guys, but at some point, I became scared because of one thing they rubbed on my face. I started feeling hotness on my face. Guys, doing facials is not for the weak. You have to gather the heart because you have to close your eyes. They will be rubbing so many things on your face. I started feeling very scared about one ointment that I apply on my face. But I'm just scared because it's my first time. I don't think it will repeat itself again. So Naza, my bestie, wanna start to do the facials now. So she's the one handling my face. You can see her putting on her hand glove. She's putting on her hand glove. She has been working here for a year now. So I say, let me come and see. They are not doing only facials also. They are also doing body massage, pedicure and manicure. So many things that I cannot recall, but what I did that day, I did my facials, I did my pedicure and manicure. Don't know whether I did my dusting. I did massage. See my bestie Naza. Don't know whether I did massage, but I didn't record the place that I did my pedicure and manicure. Is only this one that I focused on because this is my first time. I've been seeing people doing this. This is my first time. You can see the will I say it? This cap resembles theater cap, the cap that the surgeon used to give patients when they're about cutting their, So guys, they have started though. So they asked me to close my eyes before the chemical will enter inside my eyes. But I was feeling very stubborn. See me, I opened my eyes. But I rather closed my eyes. So Naza have started her work. The work she knows how to do better. She has started it. And also guys, pardon me, I didn't place this my camera very well. It's supposed to be on landscape, but I did this video through portraits. Guys, pardon me, just anything you see in this video, know that I'm not with myself. I'm just managing myself. But I will still just you guys in my next vlog. I will tell you guys the whole story concerning my recovering and how everything started. So this is when they're removing hairs on my face. They're trying to clear up my face for my face to look very smooth and for my face to be wrinkling very well. You can see Naza doing what she knows how to do best, scraping all the hairs on my face. Guys, I think I'm interested in this skincare, facial therapist or whatever. I don't know how to put it. I'm interested. Pardon my cough. So Naza is doing is still removing the hairs on my face. After that, the next thing is ointment. She applies so many things which I don't know the name. Yes, she has started applying it. You can see how she's doing it. Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. Guys, stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. Just grab your popcorn and be watching this video. A lot of things happen here, but I didn't get to capture everything that happened here. A lot of gist, talk and everything, but I was able to edit it out because I don't think it's necessary. So guys, and this my camera woman is doing a great job. She's capturing me very, very well. So guys, be watching. God bless you. Remember to subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post any of my video. See Naza, my bestie, the great skin therapist herself. She knows her work. See, when they covered my face, guys, this is when I became very scared because I don't understand what is happening. Until they opened my face, I became relieved small. Guys, just look at my face. The video is about ending. We are at the finishing touch. Just look at my face. Gosh. I will revisit this place because the thing that they did to my face. Gosh. I will revisit this place, but I'm still gathering money. Is your money? They are not visiting this place with small money in the pocket. So guys, that is it. Oh guys, that it is. Naza, my baby. So guys, be watching. Okay, I guess the thing that she's doing here, she's bringing hot water to to that thing that he was touching is hot water. See, we are done. Look at my face. Isn't my face glowing, guys? Spa Kalon, God bless you guys. You guys